Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the angles. So far we've been trying to express the ratios in terms of sides, but today I'm going to show you how to solve for angles where you are given the ratio of sides, a fraction or a decimal of sides, but now you need to find the angle. We're going to be using rules, and I'm going to show you the rules. This is what we refer to as trigonometric equations, where we try to find the angle, and I'm going to name them soon. So we have three ratios that are in your calculator. The first one is sine, the second one is cos, the third one is tan. Now guys, please note that a variable in front of your ratio, or it can be a number, but if it's a number it will be in degrees. Okay, that is what we refer to as the angle. And the equal sign, the other side, guys, is simply the sides, which is what we have been doing so far, where I gave you, if I have 5/4, then 5 is your opposite and your 4 will be your hypotenuse. That actually doesn't make sense. Let me just say it's 4/5. Okay, in that case, that's where you're gonna have the value of a. So basically a is simply a ratio of sides. In all of these guys given ratios, where we have sine, cos and tan, x is your angle and a is simply a ratio of your sides, or just a fraction of your sides, which can be written as a decimal. Okay, now these are the rules, guys. If you are given that sine x is equals to a, for you to find x, you will just say x is equals to arc sine of a. This is arc sine, or the inverse sine of a. That's how you find the angle, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that using your calculator soon. Now in the second one, x, which is the angle, it will be equal to arc cos of your sides, of the ratio of the sides, and the last one will be tan. If you want to calculate that angle, which is x, x will be equal to arc tan of a. Now let's quickly do examples. Now let's say I gave you these three, where you need to find the value of x. Remember, I said x is an angle, and whatever you have on the right hand side will be the ratio of sides. Please note that at times you will not be given 0,5. You will need to make sure that you make your ratio, which is sine, cos, or tan, make sure that it becomes the subject of the formula. Solve for that ratio. Okay, now in this case what we're gonna have is the rules for me to find x. X will be equal to arc sine of 0,5. In the second one, x will be arc cos of square root of 3/2, and the last one will be arc tan of 1. Now I'm going to show you guys how to get this 30. Use the calculator. Basically, you're gonna go to shift for the first one, and then I'm gonna go to arc sine is over here, and I'm gonna type in 0,5 and close my brackets and press the equal sign. That's how I got it 30. Please guys, when you find the angle, because this is the angle, it must always be in degrees, so make sure that it's always written as a degree. Okay, let's do the second one. The second one is arc cos, so I'm gonna have arc cos of square root, so I'm gonna come here and write that as square root of 3 divided by 2 and close bracket and equal sign. It will be 30. So hence the solution for this one will just be 30. So hence I have 30. The last one is 45. I'm going to show you guys quickly how to get that. You're gonna come here and press shift and 10, 10. Okay, it's shift, come on, it's shift, then 10 of 1 and close brackets, and that will give me 45, and that's how I got this 45. Okay guys, please do this activity. It's exercise 6. It is on page 17. You do from number 1 up to number 10.